Sai Ram. Wishing you all the best, Sai Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, begin the class. It's already 1 o'clock. Start the
Yes.
class.
Yes, thank you. My humble salutations at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and loving salam to all. Respected director ma'am, principal ma'am, and all dear teachers. You all welcome in my maths value-based class. As you know that math is everywhere in our surrounding. There is math. Without math, we can't do anything. But rather than there are some common views about math. Let's see what they are. Some common views are math is boring, math is hard, and math has nothing to do with real life. There is no use of life in our real life. Then math is very complex. So today in this session, we are trying to resolve these common views about math. So let's see. There are 5 letters in the word maths, and these words automatically tells about them. Let's see what they are telling. M. M stands for miracles of nature. Means there are so many miracles in nature. Like you can see the sunflower. The petals of sunflower shows the Fibonacci sequence and series, which is the most important topic we have taken from maths. And maths also enhances our memory and mental ability if we do regular practice. Like that. A tells us about accuracy. Means math tells us about accurate answer and it increases our attention, awaken our mind when we do more practice. And it tells us about where we can use the rules and formulas in math. Then T. T stands for tool of knowledge. Because there are so many methods in math by which we can solve any one problem. So it tells us about the techniques and tools of knowledge and it always gives us to the answer to the point and not here and there. After that comes H. H increases our habit of hard work and it makes and it increases our habit of hard work and problem solving. Like that, S is science of all the sciences because math is linked with all the subjects. Rather, this is also linked in bio, chemistry, physics. Even that in music, we can also use math. Like there are 7 swar in music. So here I am going to play a beautiful song. Enjoy it. I love this song very much.
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे ये और बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले
I thought you enjoyed this song. This is a very wonderful song. After listening this song, I feel very proud to be an Indian because the zero, I live in that country in which zero is originated by Aryabhatta. After that, great mathematician Brahmagupta worked on that. And in our earlier session, Mr. Ajay sir already told so many things about zero. Here I have also taken concept of zero with operations. As you know that there are mainly 4 operations in zero, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here I have taken all these operations with zero one by one. Let's see. If I add any number with 0, we get the same number. And if we subtract 0 from any number, again we get same number. And if we multiply 0 by any number, we get the answer as 0. Like that. What will be the answer if we divide any number by 0? Can anyone help me to find out that answer? Please tell me. Unmute your mic, please, audience. Please.
Infinity.
Yes, very good, sir. Thank you, sir. That is infinity. Yes. So that is infinity. When we divide any number by 0, that is infinity, and that infinity is found by this great mathematician. This is a man who knew the infinity, and this is the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose birthday we celebrate every year on 22nd December as a National Mathematics Day. As we have seen in our back slide that any number divided by 0 is infinite. So please can you tell me, how do we get happiness in our life? How do we get happiness? How do we feel happy? Okay, if I have desires and all my desires are fulfilled, I think we feel happy. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? If number of desires...
Another
Right,
desire will
Yes.
occur. We won't be happy. Another desire will occur.
yes, ma'am?
If all desires are fulfilled,
Yes,
desire
ma'am.
can never ever be fulfilled. There's some more desire, one more desire, one more desire.
Yes, ma'am. But in some extent, we can say that we are happy if my all desires are fulfilled. In some extent, we can say that. But if my desires are fulfilled, then automatically we wish for another desire. जैसे मैम अभी आपने बोला है कि हमारी desire can never be ended. That's why what can we get if my number of desires without increasing it will decrease, mean it will be equal to 0. Then what will happen? My happiness automatically becomes double. My happiness becomes infinite because we know that when here I have written a statement that number of desires fulfilled divided by no 0. And we know that when we divide any number by 0, we get infinite, means we get infinite happiness. So always try to ceiling on desires. And no desires mean we achieve infinite happiness, peace, contentment, and self-discipline. So always try to limit your desires if you want unlimited happiness. There is another important fact about 0. It is very important digit in our numbers. When any digit or numbers comes before 0, its value increased. As you know that its value increased in 10, 100, 1000 and so on. As we have listened in Ajay sir's class also, like that 0 is very important. So we like a 0 in this world. We get value when any digit comes before us, like in any form. Maybe they are our teachers, friends, family, our brothers, sisters. So be a valuable digits to others. Do good, have good. अगर आप अच्छा करोगे तो वो भी अच्छा होंगे, तो आपकी वैल्यू और बढ़ेगी, तो हमारे पेरेंट्स की वैल्यू भी ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज होगी. So here is a story program I have taken. Please listen me carefully. After that, I will ask a question. Rahul's father gave him 5 ice creams, but also told him eating all is not good for health. There is a condition. His father told him that eating all ice cream is not good for health. Then these ice creams are very delicious. But what Rahul will do? Please, anyone can tell me what Rahul will do?
No, ma'am. He will share with his friends, his brother,
Okay.
sister.
Okay. He will not throw the ice cream. He will share the ice cream with his friends. Very good. So here Rahul learned that sharing is very good thing, and by this he learned the subtraction also, because when he gave the ice cream to his friends or brother sister, obviously he has a less ice creams. It means he learned sharing in his subtraction. And other thing, sharing is caring, but it also reduces the burden and double our happiness. So always share your things with your friends and your family members. Here is another concept I have taken from maths, that is ascending and descending order. As you know that when we tell the students to write the number in ascending and descending order, the students first, they have to arrange the numbers in increasing or decreasing order. They have to put the number in order according to their position. Like that, mathematics makes our life orderly, disciplined, and prevents chaos. Here is another story problem. A boy has 12 pens to distribute to a group of needy people. Again, listening carefully, please. A boy has 12 pens to distribute to a group of needy people, but he wants to distribute these 12 pens equally to one or more. In how many ways can he divide the pens? Can anyone tell me in how many ways he can divide their pens in? I don't know how many people are there, but he wants to divide that 12 pens in equally number. Can anyone help me to find out how many persons are there and in how many ways he can divide that pens? If he will give the one pen, then how many persons are there?
12.
If
12.
he 12, yes, very good, then 12. Because there are
Ah,
only 12 pens like that. If he will give 2 pens to each person, then there will be 6
6
persons.
people.
Suppose there are only 12 pens. So like that, he learns factors of 12. Do you know what is factors? Factors are that numbers which comes in the table of that number and which divides the given number completely without leaving no remainder. There is no remainder is left in the end. So these are the 2 6 are 12. Mean 2 pens to 6 persons, 3 pens to 4 persons, like that. So on. So by this, that boy learned that factors of 12 and also learned the message that treating everyone equally without discriminate their gender, asset, caste and intelligence. So हम कह भी सकते हैं treating everyone equally is like respecting people around you. Always respect other persons surrounding you. So here I have taken another topic from geometry. As you know that geometry is very vast, but here I have taken only few shapes. And geometry tells us so many things about it, that it tells us how to be in symmetry. It shows us focus, how to be focus on anything. It shows us how to be in balance. And it also tells us about patterns, about how to be in an order and be in a harmony. Here I have taken only few examples for geometry because there are so many polygons. So now it's your turn. Please help me out to figure out which shapes I have taken here. Here I have taken some examples related to that number. There are 4 directions. There are 4 directions: west, north, south, and east. And another examples I have taken related to that number of sides in that figure, which I have taken in my slide. That is the 4 Vedas and the Char Dham of India, 4 Dham, and there are 4 lines in our national emblem of India, the pride and honor of our nation. So please tell me which shape I have taken here.
Square.
Very good, ma'am. That is sphere because sphere has 4 sides, and I have already told that this shape is related to number 4. Then this is a sphere. And sphere has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles, and this is the most balanced shape in geometry. So try to be like a sphere. We should make balance in between play and work, happiness and sadness. Like here I have another I have taken another example from geometry. There are 5 elements in nature, 5 senses. And there are 5 cardinal values, that is love, peace, right conduct, truth and non-violence. There are 5 fingers in a hand and there are 5 Pandavas in Mahabharata. So please tell me which shape I am talking about.
Pentagon.
Yes, very good. That is pentagon. The pentagon shape has 5 sides and 5 angles. As we have seen our last slide, when I have shown to you the 5 things in our nature, that is, there are 5 elements. Be humble and grounded like the earth. Be like fire that burn all your negativity and bring light in your and others' life. Are these things positive? Be like a sky, open and broad-minded. Make your thinking infinite and limitless. So I just try to follow the qualities of these 5 elements from nature. Here I have taken another topic, that is speed, distance and time. This is a formula of speed. How can we measure the speed of any vehicle? The speed of any vehicle we can measure by the distance covered by that vehicle in given time. How much time is taken by the vehicle? Like that, our power of mind is measured by how much abundance of love we have shared in number of people. So always love out, serve out, spread your love to everyone. Here is another topic. Here is another slide I have taken related to the speed, distance and time. This is a story you all know. I think you all are aware about the story. Hare and tortoise. Hare and tortoise, पशु है खरगोश की story है. This is also I have linked this story to the speed, distance and time because in this tortoise was very slow and hare was very fast. Can you tell me who won the race in this story?
Tortoise.
Yes, tortoise won the race. How he won the race? Because he was continuously going on and he did effort continuously. Going quickly doesn't necessarily mean you will beat and one who goes slowly and steadily. So someone rightly said that practice makes a man perfect and keep on practicing, it makes everything possible. And here is another quote related to this. Start early, drive slowly, reach safely. Alert today, alive tomorrow. So always be alert while you are driving and always follow the traffic rules while driving. Here is another topic I have taken from higher classes. This is also linked with the speed, distance and time. But here, here we can only see the speed of boat. Upstream. What do you mean by upstream? Do you know what is upstream and downstream? Upstream means stream. Upstream होती है हमारी नदी की जैसे बोलते हैं धारा and upstream means उसकी उल्टी दिशा में जाना. Means if we are taking sailing our boat towards the opposite direction of the river. Can anyone tell me, will the speed of the boat is slow or high? Mean more or less. If we go by boat towards the opposite side of the river, will it affect the speed of the boat?
Yes, ma'am. Its speed becomes less.
Yes, sir. Very good. Yes, the speed becomes less. Like that, when we sailing our boat towards the flow of the river, the speed of the boat is automatically increased. Like that. Sometimes our life, sometimes हमारी लाइफ में होता है कि बड़ी स्मूथली चल रही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बड़े आराम से चल रही है. मीन्स we are going with the flow of our life without any obstacle. But कभी कोई परेशानी आ जाती है, दिक्कत आ जाती है, don't afraid of that because जब तक आपकी लाइफ में कोई दिक्कत मीन ऑब्स्टेकल नहीं आएगी, कोई चैलेंजेस नहीं आएंगे, तो आप आगे कैसे बढ़ोगे? तो आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करोगे. तो accept all the challenges and difficulties in your life because ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going on. हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए जरूरी है कि ups and downs भी होनी चाहिए. Okay, because a straight line even in an ECG, you have seen a ECG room जो होते हैं ना कि emergency room. ECG room में अगर कोई पेशेंट लेटा हुआ है, जब तक उसकी वो लाइफ की वेव चलती है ना कंप्यूटर के ऊपर ups and down में चल रही है, it means he is alive. When that line is straight, then we think we are not alive. That man is dead. कि वो जिंदा नहीं है. तो हमें क्या समझना चाहिए कि ups and down is very important in our life. अगर ups and down आते हैं, एफर्ट्स करो, उसको सोल्व डाउन करो, कोई वीकनेस है उसको ओवरकम करो. Now next topic is average. Average nothing. Average means unfair becomes fair. मीन हम collectively किसी का रिस्पॉन्स देखेंगे. सब्जेक्ट वाइज मीन अगर किसी पर्सन में क्वालिटी है, he is good at maths and not in English or in science, तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो हम उसका जैसे बच्चे कभी देखते क्लास में ऐसे ही है, वो एवरेज मीन वो मैथ्स भी तो अच्छा है बट वो अदर सब्जेक्ट्स में थोड़ा सो है, एंड आर्ट और म्यूजिक में तो बहुत अच्छा है, तो वी कैन टेक द एवरेज ऑफ दैट स्टूडेंट और हम उसको ग्रेडिंग देते हैं। जैसे आजकल हमारा फॉर्मेटिव और फॉर्मेटिव एंड समेटिव एग्जामिनेशन का हमारा पैटर्न है ही सीबीएसई में, तो इसीलिए है कि हमने एवरेज देखनी है। एंड एवरेज अनदर मीन्स इज it helps us to appreciate each other's strength and efforts, and it helps us to, and we should also appreciate others' strengths and efforts too, कि हर कोई अपने लेवल पे efforts करता है। So if there is a team and there is a one person who is good at math and other person is good in science or in English, then we can increase the average of that person। तो हम उस ग्रुप की ना एवरेज इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम वो ग्रुप में काम कर रहे हैं, टीम वर्क हो रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसकी एवरेज निकालेंगे। एवरेज में हम टीम वर्क में क्या करेंगे, टीम वर्क में हम कलेक्टिवली रिस्पॉन्स देखेंगे, तो उसमें क्या होगा, एवरेज निकालेंगे तो ऑब्वियस है जो मैथ वाला अच्छा करेगा, इंग्लिश वाला अपना अच्छा करेगा। जब हम रिजल्ट निकालेंगे, एवरेज निकालेंगे, ओवरऑल उनको ऐड करेंगे, the average of that group will be more and we can increase the average of that group. So in average, appreciate each other's strengths and efforts by using these magical words like amazing, you are rocking, awesome, excellent, great job, you are great. When we use this type of word, it gives us motivation. Like that, this is a beautiful bouquet. There are so many different color flowers. If there are only same color of flowers, is it look beautiful? I think that is not look so beautiful. Only same color of flowers, because there are different color of flowers in a bouquet, and all flowers have different colors, different fragrance, and collectively in a team they make a beautiful bouquet. Like that, this is a beautiful fruit basket in which there are variety of fruits with different qualities and different colors. In overall, if we can see, in overall, they make a beautiful fruit basket, healthy basket. Now, if we praise any person, a person who feels appreciated will always do more than what is expected. अगर हम किसी की प्रेज करते हैं ना, करके देखना, तो वो क्या करेगा, आप जितना उम्मीद नहीं करते उससे भी ज्यादा आपको करके दिखाएगा। Do more than what is you expected from that person. So always appreciate others' efforts and strengths. And this is topic I have taken from fractions. As you all know that fractions is something that it is in the form of numerator and denominator, in which we have talked about the total number of parts, equally parts. But here I have taken only the addition of fractions. How do we add the fractions in this sum? So if there are same denominators, then what will we do? We add directly the numerators. If we have same denominators, then directly we add the numerators and this will be our answer. But how can we do the sum if there are different denominators? Means suppose there is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Then how can we solve this question? For this, firstly, we have to make the denominator same. If the denominator is same, then we can directly add the numerators and we can find our answer. So if denominators are same, it's very important point in addition of fractions is we have to make the denominator same first. Like that, our families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. हम कहीं भी चले जाएं, कहीं भी सेटल हो जाएं, बट जो हमारी रूट्स हैं, हमारे जो संस्कार हैं, वो हमारे फैमिली से जुड़े होने चाहिए, एक होने चाहिए. Like a denominators in a addition of fractions. And the happiness of life is made up of minute fractions. जो हमारी लाइफ की हैप्पीनेस होती है वो कैसे बनती है, छोटे छोटे खुशियों से ही बड़ी खुशियां बनती है. तो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सेलिब्रेट योर माइन्यूट फ्रैक्शन, मीन छोटी छोटी खुशियों को सेलिब्रेट करने की कोशिश करें. दुखी नहीं होना तो कुछ नहीं मिलता, कोई बात नहीं, अपनी पिछली खुशी को याद करो, उसको सेलिब्रेट करो, क्योंकि छोटी छोटी खुशियों से ही हमारी हैप्पीनेस वो इंक्रीज होगी। जैसे बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, वैसे ही छोटी छोटी माइन्यूट फ्रैक्शंस मीन लिटिल पार्ट्स, इक्वली पार्ट्स, तो उन खुशियों को कलेक्ट करें एंड अपनी हैप्पीनेस को इंक्रीज करें अपनी लाइफ में। And this is the another topic I have taken, that is the ratio. As you know that ratio is the comparison. When we talk about ratio, in our mind firstly comes that the comparison. So don't compare your life with others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their own time. And you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So what is the ratio of that? Please, can anyone tell me? What is the ratio of 2 ears and 1 mouth? Please. What is the ratio of 2 ears and 1 mouth?
2:1.
2:1. Yes, 2:1. Yes, we can say that 2:1 mean 2:1. Which is more? Ears have more value and mouth has only 1 value, then that is 2:1. So follow this ratio. Always try to follow this ratio. Listen more and talk less. सुनो ज़्यादा बोलो कम. Okay? Always try to follow this ratio. Listen more and talk less. And if you want to compare your yesterday. If you want to compare your yesterday with tomorrow. Better way to comparison, just compare your yesterday with your today and break your own records. कि मैंने पिछले कौन सी गलती की है, जब मुझे कौन सी वीकनेस है, उसको हार्ड वर्क करो, एफर्ट्स करो एंड अपने ही रिकॉर्ड्स को ब्रेक करो। जैसे आपने भी देखा होगा ओलंपिक्स में अभी जो नीरज चोपड़ा ने जो उसने अपने ही रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक करे हैं। ये एक दिन का काम नहीं है, ये कंटिन्यूसली एफर्ट्स की वजह से ही हुआ है। सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू योर ओन रिकॉर्ड्स। Always compare yourself with yourself, not others. And this is the last topic of our math. This is last but not least, perfect numbers. In our math, there are so numbers, but all numbers are not perfect. There are some numbers which we call perfect numbers. So let's see which numbers are they. A number is a perfect number if the sum of its factors equals to the number itself. Here I have taken an example, number 6, and the factors of number 6 are 1, 2 and 3. What are the factor of 6? That is 1, 2 and 3. Means 6 to have 1, 2 और 3 के टेबल में आ रहा है. So these numbers completely divided that number, leaving no remainder. So these numbers are factor of 6. When I add this number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. What will be the answer? Answer is again 6. So you can see here, 6 is equal to 6, mean the sum of its factors is equal to the number itself. So this is the first perfect number in our mathematics. And here, this is the next, 28 is also a perfect number. So, can anyone tell me what kind of qualities we should have to be a perfect in our life, be a perfect person? Please, anyone? What kind of qualities should we have to be a perfect person? We should don't have any qualities. Okay, we should have righteous conduct. जैसे बोलते हैं 5 cardinal values. We should follow that 5 cardinal values also, and we should be harmony in 3 edge. Harmony in head, harmony in our heart, and there should be harmony in our hands. जैसा सोचो वैसा बोलोगे और वैसा ही करोगे, तो आप परफेक्शन की तरफ लीड कर सकते हो. There is no one is perfect person in this world, but we can try to be perfect in any one particular field. Maybe it's math, science. जो भी काम करो उसको दिल से करो. Whatever you do, दिल से करना है. कुछ पढ़ रहे हो तो दिल से पढ़ना है कि मैंने इसको फिनिश करना ही है काम. There should be harmony. then you can lead to a professional life in a particular field. So by this, in the end, I would like to share an inspirational video. This little video tells about a woman. This is Shakuntala Devi, a great mathematician known as a human computer. In 1982, she earned a place in the Guinness Book of World Records because she was very fast in calculating as in seconds. जब इसका कंपैरिजन होता था कंप्यूटर के साथ, तो ये लेडी थी, इन्होंने 28 डिजिट्स और 13 डिजिट्स में नंबर्स को सेकंड्स में कैलकुलेट कर दिया था, जो कि कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सका था. सो शी इज द फर्स्ट लेडी वुमन नोन एज अ ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर. तो इनके ऊपर मूवी भी बनी हुई है, तो आपने प्लीज फ्री टाइम में वो पक्का देखनी है. दिस इज सो मच इंस्पिरेशनल मूवी कि प्रैक्टिस से कैसे मैन आगे से आगे बढ़ सकता है. तो एंजॉय दिस वीडियो.
To start doing my math shows again. He was shocked. He said, but man, you have just had a baby. I said, you? क्या माँ बनने के बाद औरतों का दिमाग चलना बंद हो जाता है? Do women lose their brains after becoming mothers? So today, shall we see if this new mother's brain is still working or not? Can I have the questions, please?
Miss Devi, the questions from the audience.
The first question. 899 into 899 is 808201. Thank you. 675 cubed is 307546875. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 9 is 1111111101.
How are you doing it?
546372891.
That took 50 seconds. The computer is still calculating. There it is. The computer got it in 62 seconds. She's right. Mr. V calculated the 23rd root of a 201-digit number faster than the fastest computer, the UNIVAC. Mr. V, how? How do you do it?
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, the answer is 189466815742646277370. Am I correct?
That's absolutely correct.
Thank you.
The largest mental multiplication ever done in record time by a human being. I think Mr. V just made it to the Guinness Book of World Records.
What is the cube root?
I think you enjoyed this video, लोग. And in the end, I would like to say that मैं कुछ लाइनें बोलना चाहती हूँ. जिसने भी खुद को खर्च किया इन द सेंस मीन हार्ड वर्क, प्रैक्टिस, एफर्ट्स, कुछ चैलेंजेस आते हैं उसको एक्सेप्ट किया है, उसको ओवरकम करने की कोशिश की है, उसके लिए बॉडी में खर्च किया है. जिसने भी खुद को खर्च किया है, दुनिया ने उसी को गूगल पर सर्च किया है. ये एग्जांपल आप इससे भी देख सकते हो. अभी आपने भी गूगल पे ना इनको सर्च करना है, शकुंतला देवी जी को. जैसे नीरज चोपड़ा को उनके जीतने के बाद बहुत लोगों ने सर्च किया था. ठीक है. By this, I am going to finish my presentation and Siren to all. Thank you, Dol and Siren.
Yes, Poonam, it's a wonderful presentation. It's very good. Must keep it up. बहुत अच्छा था and a very in a precise manner and beautifully You have taken so many topics and all beautifully covered up. That is what we feel. The things must be inside us first. The values, then only we can, without any preparation, we can impart those values to our students, and that wonderfully good. You can do, you can manage. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
May God bless.
Thank you.
Poonam ma'am, very nice
Very nice, Poonam ma'am.